Hello, today we're going to draw some fire. So first we do one corner and then the other, one tall, one short. Then we do a dot at the bottom, it can be very light. On top we do another one and another. Okay, another in between there. Okay. Then we want to do a bit of movement underneath. There. Then we are going to do the inner layer of the fire all around the corners. It doesn't go in exactly as much. You don't want it to be too thin, remember? Okay, like that. Then we are on our last layer. There. Now, we are going to color in. So, you could get any color you want. So first, we are going to get red for the outer layer. All the corners, remember? Okay. Up this corner. Up this corner. And up this one. And then down. Okay? Do them all. Okay, now for the second layer, we are going to use yellow. You could do orange instead, but we are going to use yellow. There, this corner, all the pointy parts. Very important. Then if your pen finishes, you can use some orange for the rest. Or else you could just do half orange, half yellow if you would like. Okay. Fill it in the last bit and then we are done. Okay, we are done. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe. See you next time.